Hey, it's me, Gene Farrell, back from 3 Years Skill with a new small update for the Audioworkstation for Cinema 4D. The Audioworkstation is a simple audio file importer and also a pattern designer to control, for instance, effectors or to animate, synchronize animations to audio files. So this is just a small update. Let's have a look at this figure here. As we can see here, there are 4 points or things I updated here. And the first was a bug fix with the plugin ID. So the Audioworkstation still had a temporary plugin ID. This accidentally happened. I fixed that and created a final plugin ID. The next thing was a bug fix in a step sequencer. This was the most important fix here. So when we head over to Cinema 4D and I simply create here an Audioworkstation, create a track, load here an audio file for instance, and activate the sequencer on off. And in previous versions, when I set here maybe my sequences and I reopened the step sequencer, it didn't remember here that this steps here, so it was totally empty. This is fixed. This was in version 25 and version 2026, version 2025 and 2026. So this is now fixed, and yeah, sorry for that. The next thing was the convert button. So the convert button when there was no sound loaded. So let me delete that and I add a track and I pressed to convert. He created a exception. He raised an exception in the console. This is now fixed. He just prompts you with, he informs you with some message dialog that there is no file for this track and you have to load a sound file. Also, I implemented a new button here, as you can see, create effector. So when we head over to Cinema 4D and we load a sound file, and when we have a look, he creates automatically a track. So if you want to control maybe an effector with a step sequencer like this, then you have to create a cloner, you have to create an effector and sound effector, and you have to drag and drop here this thing into this effector. And this is a little bit uncomfortable to do, so simply my plugin automatically does that for you. It simply creates an effector, puts the track which is corresponding to that track here into the sound effector, and also sets here the probe and also the mode to volume here. Sorry, my layout is still in German. Sorry for that. Okay, this was the update for the Audioworkstation. So the bug fix with the step sequencer is the most important thing here. So now it is also full compatible with Cinema 4D 2026 and 2025. So have a nice day. We see us later. Goodbye.